corporate, healthcare, and public. Somewhat similar to e-learning are areas like corporate and business reads, healthcare, and public service voiceovers. Voices in this genre need to sound professional and project confidence and authority, yet still be easy and clear to understand. They might be used on websites, webinars, training videos, and other areas. Corporate and healthcare reads tend to have a lot of complicated technological or medical terms, so good reading skills and the ability to look up correct pronunciations is a must. While some exceptions occur, many of these types of clients look for middle-aged sounding voices. Let's look at a few examples.
This is the future of healthcare. Kaiser Permanente's Center for Total Health in the heart of Washington, D.C. The 16,000-square-foot interactive exhibit and conference center near Union Station and Capitol Hill.
In the spontaneously breathing anaesthetized patient, airway obstruction can be experienced. This is due to the anesthetic induction agent causing the patient to experience a loss of muscular tone, causing the soft palate, tongue, and epiglottis to move towards the back wall of the throat. Other causes of airway obstruction include head injury, the effects of alcohol or drugs, and obstruction due to foreign bodies such as solid food, blood clots, and other miscellaneous objects.
Only a short distance along the coast from Brighton, in the southeast of England, Newland School sits in an area of outstanding natural beauty. Students enjoy fresh air, stunning views, and plenty of space, all within a 2-hour train journey of London. Newlands prides itself on providing a warm and caring learning environment for children and young adults from nursery to 6th form. There is a sense of mutual respect, which emanates from pupils and staff alike.